How to get activation code in Aviator Predictor app. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. So if you're new to the Aviator Predictor app or you are just trying to activate the app, we'll guide you on how to do this. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to your browser, and from here you can just go ahead and search for Aviator Predictor app, GitHub. And right after, you now want to head over to the GitHub page right here. And from here, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and you specifically want to find this GitHub page right here, which is from the Aviator Predict. It is the Aviator Predictor app. From here, if we go ahead and scroll down, you can go ahead and see for the setup, you want to go ahead and download this application, install the app and open the app and click on login. Now right after launching the application, you want to go ahead and type admin, and you can just go ahead and find out by pressing the forgot password. After logging in, enter the seed of the latest game in the last game seed section and click on the next button. If you're done, you can click on the start button and see the next multiplier. So this is what it will go ahead and look like. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.